Good afternoon and welcome to this video tutorial of MCX Surecain. My name is Parveen Rana and today in this video we are going to discuss about doing automatic trading by using the TradingView charts. So guys, here is my TradingView account. With this I'm gonna trade automatically to the Alice Blue account. So now let's see how we can do and what is the process to doing that. First of all, this is the AlgoBridge website. URL is algobridge.in. So we need to log in, and who those don't have account with AlgoBridge, they can click on the sign up button. Once they click, the form will come. You need to fill the form and click on register. Then you'll get one email on your email ID. Once you confirm that email, then your account will get opened, and then after you can log in and check how platform works. So now I'm having an account, so I'm going to log in with my account details. After successful login, I'll find a screen. That screen is for trading with the predefined strategies. There are 6 predefined strategies, as in the earlier video as well I have told about that. So first and the most important process in the AlgoBridge is to authenticate yourself on daily basis without fail and before market open. So there is a unique ID option there. You can put any unique ID, your name and your number, whatever you want to put you can put, and then save. It should be unique. Okay, like it is saying your unique ID already exists, so this ID is mine, so I have already put this ID. Now second and the main important process is to get the access token. Once we click on the get access token button, it will redirect us to the Alice Blue website, and then we need to fill all details and all. If we click on submit, it will again redirect us to our website. That means it will give us a new access token for the day, so the whole day we can use that particular access token, and then our trades will go without any interruption. So this is the authentication part which we need to do every day before market open, and it is must. So now I'm moving further for the TradingView bridge. So this is the TradingView bridge. It's in the section of bridge tool. You have to click on TradingView bridge, TW bridge. Once you click on that bridge, you will be able to see the screen. Okay, here we have given the documentation as well. Who those are new, like who those are developer and want to trade on their own strategies, they can use the documentation for buy, sell and stop loss target features, and then they can make their own TradingView scripts. By default we are giving 6 TradingView scripts over there. You can see MA crossover, Heikin-Ashi, MACD, and then parabolic SAR, then RSI, then super trend. So whatever the script you want to use, you can use the script. How you need to proceed is you have to click on the get strategy button, then you will get this particular strategy code. You have to press Ctrl A to select all, and then Ctrl C. Then second process is you need to go to this Pine editor. Okay, here bottom you will find the Pine editor. There you need to press Ctrl A, then Ctrl V. Then you need to save the strategy, and you can give it any name, your name or strategy name, whatever you want. Once you give it your name, it will save in your my script section of the TradingView. After that you can click on attach strategy to chart. Once you attach the strategy, it will look like this. So now the strategy is already attached, and now task is to create a symbol. Okay, so the strategy already pasted in the TradingView. So now I want to add a symbol. I'll type here crude oil September future, crude oil September future. Now this is a regular market, MIS, and then quantity 1. Now I have saved it. Now as you can see that I have saved it, and then my symbol, you will be able to see the symbol here with the symbol available. So in the symbol you will be in the list you will be able to see 2 things. One is user key and second one is instrument key. These 2 keys we need to copy and paste into the TradingView, and then only our trade will get executed. So now this is the strategy. Guys, I'm gonna change parameters to very fast parameters so that it may produce early signals, and then we will be able to show you that how the strategy will take the trades. Here also I'm going to change this symbol. Okay, so guys, I have changed the parameters as well as I have changed the symbol, and then I have to click on this setting button. In the setting button you will be able to get the parameters and multipliers that I have changed now, and then you can give a target point. Let's suppose I want to give 10 points target, then stop loss I want to give 10 points stop loss. Then this is the user key which I will get from this section, trading view section. I need to paste the user key, and then I need to paste the instrument key as well. So this is the instrument key. Now I have pasted the instrument key, and then I have pasted the user key as well. This is the simple process we need to follow, and we need to click on OK. So this part is over now. Simply we need to create an alert, and then our trade will go automatically. So this is the strategy condition. We need to select Algo Bridge Super Trend condition. Whatever the signal name you choose, it will come here, and then after that we need to click on Algo Bridge API. Then we need to click on, there are 4 options as accordingly you can use, but once per bar close is about taking 1 signal per bar section. And then after that we need to paste a webhook URL. You need to take the webhook URL tab, and then here you need to paste the URL. That URL you will get from this document section. Once you click on the document section, one document will open, and then in the document we have given 2 bridge documentation. One is universal and another one is trading view. About the universal bridge I'll make a separate video, so that you need to, that URL you need to copy from here, and then you need to paste this URL in the webhook URL section. After that you need to create the alert. Okay, now the alert is created. So whenever the new signal will come, it will alert us. But before that we need to go in the action section, and we need to start the symbol, otherwise it will not take the trades. So now I have started it. Now let the new alert come, and then it will take the trade. We will watch it. So guys, we got the alert, and then now we will see whether the trade has placed or not. So this is my trading session. Now you can see crude oil September future trade is there, quantity 1, and trade got rejected because of the insufficient fund. So this is the way the trade goes in the platform. Like you can see all trades are there. So it's very simple to trade with the trading view. The process was very simple, and simply you need to create one alert, and then it is enough for doing trading for all buy sell or buy sell and every signal. It will take the trade accordingly, and then you will be able to get notifications in the trading view, as well as you will get a notification in the mobile app of your Alice Blue account. So guys, let's meet in the next video. In that we will discuss about the universal bridge. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy trading.